So guys, I am working with Roo Code, and you can see like how it's operating my own all files, and you can see like it's asking simple question. What is your send grid API key and the sender email address you want to use? So I don't have any send grid API key, so I have to give him a sender email address. So first I have to go to the send grid now. I'm telling like skip the mailing part. Okay. And it's automatically changing my code and saving. You can see it's also running the command in your terminal. You can see it's operating your terminal. So now you do not have to use anything or like any coding knowledge. You can make anything with this type of tools. So AI changing it drastically, and I will also upload a full video after this completion of my this project with Roo Code. Okay, I will try to like complete full code with this. Error fetching from a retire attempt. Okay, so Google API, see this Roo Code is using Google Gemini API, and it's giving some limited use cases. Okay, so that's why it's creating some problem, but it's like going amazing. Your whole coding things, your software building things are changing very rapid. Like it's only give me one single click to save the whole things and run the whole things. Okay, and it's automatically checking its own requirements, and you can directly see how many tokens you are burning and what is the left in your account with Roo Code. So what are your trivial accessory and token trivial your phone number? Okay. So it's asked for the Twilio API, and I refused it to say share my details, and now it's change. Code changes the code that it's given the variable at that location on the API key location or SID location. I can like manually uh, put it there, or I can put it in a .env file if I required. Okay, so this is amazing tool. You can also try a very good introduction with Roo tool. I'm liking it a lot because what a real founder or someone who want to build something that type, like you are single-handedly getting a team of developer at your fingertips. You can develop anything with this Roo code. You just have to give the prompt and it will be doing everything for you. Check its change, going to the file and changing the file, making everything clear, checking it again and giving the results, handling your terminal too. So the now world is changing a lot, and you can also, I will give a full video on that how to use Roo code. You have to go to the extension and it add it here. You will face a error which I will help you out in next video how to solve that error, then it will run fine. API streaming failed. Google generative candidate why blocked due to the recitation. Okay, resume task. API है सो ये फट गया है थोड़ा and I think it's giving random shit now. We have to check it out. Okay, so something it's have given. And guys, if you want to know more about this, like I will upload a video and be updated by my